Want to know how to make an AI agent or create an AI agent that fixes jumbled up words or messy words? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Cursor AI application and you should be right here. So we have also created similar videos regarding Cursor AI. So first things first, just simply open up your AgentGPT website. So simply towards reward.agentgpt.ai and you should be right here. So we have also created similar videos regarding AgentGPT, so make sure to watch it. That's on our channel. So now once you're here, you should be under the deployment tab, and here you can just simply type in the name anything. So I'm just going to type in anything that I like on the name, and on the goal just simply type in this. Now once I've typed in this, just simply select run, and now once I've selected run, your AgentGPT should start working and you should be good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Now as you can see right here, it's starting to work and it should execute your code. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.